afternoon.
Hello and welcome.
We're in Welsh Wales,
We are, yes.
in Powys.
Coming up to the village of Pennybont.
Fowr. We're on the B4391 and we have the River Tanat to our left.
So that means we're in the Tanat Valley. Hello, Mr. Policeman. I love your camera. Oh, dear.
A nice one.
Yeah. Turning to our right for Lake Vyrnwy.
Or Evenwy in
Yeah,
Welsh.
in Welsh.
Little chapel there.
Yeah. Free car park. You don't see that very often these days.
Oh no. They're usually very quick to take your money.
They are, yes. An old filling station now, some ancient pumps.
Wait for it. Go, go, go! Oh, no, go!
You went into a bit of Welsh then. Go, go, go.
It might have been
Yes.
Dutch.
Yeah, it might have been.
It could have been Van Gogh.
Yeah. Yeah.
Lots of caravan parks in this area.
Yeah. And you sometimes think, well, why is there caravan parks in this area?
Because it's beautiful.
And there have been lots of walks.
And it's a
area.
great base for travelling around different places.
That's right. We're going left here towards Parslow Street, which takes us back towards Shropshire. It also takes us towards a very nice waterfall, but we're not going
Pistyll
there.
Rhaeadr.
Yeah. I want to visit that waterfall again. You know the one I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that the one with the dog?
A dog?
The only thing I remember from going to that waterfall was there was a dog there. There was a golden retriever at the bottom of the waterfall having a whale of a time.
Oh, there was, yes, you're right, there was.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I always remember the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was quite a walk to the waterfall, I know that.
No, I think you might be thinking about the other one.
No, I don't think I am. No, it's the same one.
Is it the
definitely.
same one with the double
Yes.
with the double drop?
Yes.
Right, just along there. It's the highest drop in Wales, I believe.
Mind you, I say it was quite a walk. Everywhere's quite a walk for me.
Yeah.
He was fair whizzing,
It
wasn't
was,
he?
wasn't it? Obviously a local and knows the road.
Or a nutter.
Yeah.
All these daffodils at the side of the road. They're lovely.
Yeah, it's all out in full bloom now.
Not seen many raptors.
Not today, no. No. No, it's been quiet on the raptor
Surprised
front.
me.
No buzzards, no red kites today.
No. I think I saw one buzzard.
Yeah.
when we first came out today. But I've not seen any since then.
No, they seem to be a bit sparse today.
Plenty of crows.
Oh, yeah. They're always everywhere, aren't they? Crocus out as well with the daffs there on the side.
These crocuses don't tend to stay long.
No, they haven't got the lifespan of the daffs, that's right. Pistyll Rhaeadr waterfall to our left. That's the one we were talking about where we want to go visit. Hopefully this year. Might get round to it this year.
Are we here long enough?
we'll find a day. I was planning on taking somebody there that's coming over from Belgium if we get the chance.
Things were going so well.
They were, weren't they? And then
It's all right, they've changed.
Oh, that's pretty quick today. We've done well today. We've done very well with traffic lights today. Road work.
Yeah, don't
spoil it.
Spoil it now. You'll jinx it.
Noticed the mountains have gone to little hills now.
Yeah, we're getting close to the border.
Getting closer and closer to Shropshire. We don't have any mountains in Shropshire. We have some very nice hills.
Yes.
And we have an area of outstanding natural beauty. We've got no national parks, but we've got that.
We haven't got a city.
No.
Even though we've got a town with the cathedral, which very few people actually know about.
It's not a very big one.
No.
But at least it's there.
Tucked away.
Yeah.
Just inside the town walls.
Of Shrewsbury. Who have put in for city status.
Time and time again. And never got it.
No, never got it.
We don't want it to be a city anyway.
No.
It's too pretty to be a city.
Yeah.
Bit of poetry there. You notice?
Yeah.
It's a pretty town. It's a county town. And it's a lovely town to walk around. As long as you don't mind the odd hill or two.
Yeah. It's built on a hill. The castle sitting at the top of the hill.
It just shows you how big shopping centre, you go up to the 7th level. You drive up to the 7th level. And when you come out of the 7th level, you have to go up to the street.
Yeah.
On 2 escalators.
That's right. So, you don't think it's...
You just don't realise how high it is.
No, you don't. When you think about it like that, it's quite high up.
Yeah.
Because you're entering the car park at just above river level. See, we're not in Shropshire yet. We've still got 20s.
There's a few 20s in Shropshire.
There are. There's 1 or 2.
Oh, there's a craft place down there.
Is there?
Why have you never taken me there?
Didn't know there was one. It's not a road we travel on that often.
No.
I've done it a few times, but just makes a change from travelling along the A5.
Mm.
Especially in all the traffic when it's busy.
Do you think we're going to find anywhere for dinner tonight?
I don't know.
Or is it going to be beans on toast at home?
Good question.
My question probably seems a bit strange. It's not really, because it's Mother's Day today and most restaurants will be heaving. Oh, speak of the devil, and we see a kite. A red kite.
Yeah. Yeah, getting near to the border of Shropshire and we see a red kite.
Finding a restaurant or pub to eat in when we're out on a Sunday on our way home.
Well,
I think we might be pushing it today.
Yeah, it was a problem on Mother's Day. And Father's Day, particular days.
Yeah. And Christmas Day.
And Christmas Day.
New Year's Day.
Yeah.
Bank holidays. So you jinxed it. Now we're getting caught by lights.
Yeah. Opened my mouth, didn't I?
Mm-hmm.
And just to add to the raptor situation, we've just seen a vulture. We didn't see a vulture now, we saw a buzzard.
Did we?
I did, yeah. Just above the screen.
Oh, I didn't see it.
You were busy chatting about restaurants, so I just spotted it. It came just across the top. Well, we're going to get shot. Oh no! Wait for it.
Yep.
He shot us.
He got us. Knew that was going to happen because I looked at him.
Yeah.
It's only water.
Yeah.
And the black beast is filthy anyway.
It could do. After we went out last weekend. Hey, look, we're in Shropshire, back in our home county.
Yeah.
We went out last weekend. It was a dirty, filthy weekend. We went on some dirty, filthy roads. The black beast is
Right, well, we've just entered Shropshire, so we'll say thanks for watching.
If you like what you see, click the like.
And subscribe, please.